In the year of 1790, and a sorrowful tale, the truth unto you I'll relate, of 36 heroes, and in the world they were left to be seen by a false information. They were shot on Dunlavin Green. Bad luck to you, Saunders, their lives you sold away. You send a parade would be held on that very day, that the drums they did rattle and the fifes they did sweetly play. Surrounded we were and quietly marched away. Quite easy they led us as prisoners through the town, to be shot on the plain. We then were forced to kneel down. Such grief and such sorrow in one place it was ne'er before seen, as when the blood ran in streams down the dykes of Dunlavin Green. There is young Andy Ryan has plenty of cause to complain. Likewise the two Duffys who were shot down on the plain, and young Matty Farrell, whose mother distracted will run for the loss of her own darling by her eldest son. Bad luck to you, Saunders, bad luck may you never shun, that the widow's curse it might melt you like snow in the sun. The cries of those orphans, whose murmurs you will never screen, for the loss of their own poor fathers who died on the green. Some of our boys to the hills have run away. More of them have been shot, and some have gone off to sea. Michael Dwyer of the Mountain has plenty of cause for the spleen, for the loss of his own dear comrades who died on the green.